Good morning, children. I am Sheila and I am going to teach you English. The name of our lesson is Compound Sentences. In today's aim, students will be able to identify and use conjunctions to join simple sentences. Today's keywords are conjunction and compound sentence. Conjunction, meaning, is a part of speech that is used to connect words. Compound sentence, meaning a sentence with more than one subject or predicate. Let us see what are conjunctions. The words for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so that join two simple sentences into one compound sentence are called conjunctions. We can remember these important conjunctions by thinking of a silly word named fanboys, which is made from the first letter of each word. Look at the picture. You can see the word and is used to join related things or is used to show choice, nor to connect two negative sentences, but and yet is used to show contrast. For and so is used to show reason. Today we will learn how to form compound sentences. The compound sentences we formed are: Becky was hungry but she did not have lunch. He can read a book or he can play football. I am going to my room and you can go to the library. She wanted a glass of water for she was thirsty. We were bored so we went to watch a movie. Where but, or, and, for, so are used as conjunctions. Strategy used to form a compound sentence from two simple sentences. To form a compound sentence, we asked what is the relationship between the two sentences? Which conjunction can best show the relationship? For example, if two ideas share a relationship of cause and effect, we used so or for. We were bored, so we went to watch a movie. We went to watch a movie is the effect, and we were bored is the cause. We could also write we went to watch a movie for we were bored. The word so comes before an effect. The word for comes before a cause. Where do we put a comma in a compound sentence? Why do we use a comma in a compound sentence? We use commas in compound sentences right before the conjunctions. We use a comma to show that we are connecting two complete sentences. A comma also shows where we would pause when speaking the sentence. I hope you will be able to identify and use conjunctions to join simple sentences. Thank you.